Morning gentlemen, today I am going to give some information about ISRO. ISRO stands for Indian Space Research Organization. It is the space agency under Department of Space of Government of India. The current headquarters of ISRO is in city of Bangalore in Karnataka state, and the current chairman of ISRO is S. Somnathan. Before S. Somnathan, K. Sivan was the chairman of ISRO. And the vision of ISRO is to harness the space technology for national development while pursuing the space science research and planetary exploration. The Antrix Corporation Limited is the marketing arm of ISRO responsible for the promotion of the technologies developed by ISRO, also the technical consultancy services around the globe. The space program was initiated in 1960s under guidance of Dr. Vikram Sarabhai, who is known as the father of Indian space program. Before ISRO, INCOSPER was the space program, which stands for Indian National Committee for Space Research, which was started under leadership of Dr. Vikram Sarabhai and Dr. Ramanathan. There are various achievements made by ISRO. First is the INSAT 1B satellite. It stands for Indian National Satellite System, and India is largest domestic communication satellite system in Asia Pacific region. Right now 9 satellites are currently operational in geostationary orbit. Another achievement is that India has largest Indian remote sensing satellite system, which is very much useful in the fields of agriculture, urban development, then urban and rural development, and disaster management, environment and resources. And India has one of the largest constellation of Indian remote sensing satellites. And very famous Mars orbiter mission known as the Mangalyaan, launched in the year 2013. India was the first country to reach Mars on its first trial. It has various achievements like cost effectiveness, then economical weight budget, and the Phobos and Deimos, which are the 2 moons of Mars, were imaged by Mars cover camera, which was a part of Mangalyaan mission. There are various future missions of ISRO. First is the Gaganyaan mission, which will include 2 unmanned space flight and 1 human space flight, which will send 3 Indian astronauts to space, including 1 woman. There are other space programs, future space programs like the Chandrayaan-3 mission, which will launch in June 2023 and to Moon, and this Shukrayaan mission to Venus, then Aditya L1 mission. Along with that, India is also planning to have its own space station by 2030, competing with the other countries like USA, China and Russia. Apart from this, ISRO has also developed 2 satellite launching vehicles which are indigenously developed, which are the Polar Satellite launching vehicle and the Geosynchronous launching vehicle. And the challenge is right now that India is a developing country and India has developmental and security concerns. And annual funds allocation to space programs is always a concern, but the scientist of ISRO is continuously making such innovations to put the best version of ISRO in front of global platform. Thank you, gentlemen.